So this was the concept of locational rent. Now let us begin with this theory proper. According to Von Thunen, his objective was to find out why does the intensity of cultivating a particular crop decreases as we move away from the market. That is why a farmer deliberately decreases the yield, that is total production per unit area is deliberately decreased by the farmer as we move away from the market. So first model 1, that is intensity theory. Intensity theory. That is, why does the intensity of cultivation of a particular crop decreases as we move away from the market? That is, to explain this, he made use of the concept of locational rent. You see, the locational rent for any location, the locational rent per unit area, the locational rent, that is LR, per unit area for any location growing any crop is given by this formula. Here Y is yield. Yield means total production per unit area. P, this stands for market price. Market price of the produce per ton. Market price per ton. C, this stands for production cost. Cost of production per ton. C stands for cost of production or production cost per ton. D, this stands for distance in kilometers. F, it is transportation rate. F stands for transportation rate, that is transport cost per ton per kilometer. F stands for transportation rate, that is transportation cost per ton per kilometer. Now always remember this formula. It is with the help of this formula that we will discuss every aspect. Von Thunen has discussed both the models, intensity theory and crop theory, on the basis of this locational rent formula. This is the formula that gives locational rent of any location per unit area for any crop. This is the formula for locational rent per unit area for any location growing any crop. Now first let us discuss intensity theory. Now, according to this theory, the intensity of cultivation of any crop decreases as we move away from the market. Simple. Every farmer is a rational economic man. That is, every farmer is growing a particular crop to maximize his profit. So he will grow the crop, he will increase or decrease the intensity of cropping depending upon the fact whether he is having the profit or not. Now let us see this. Vertical axis, this indicates locational rent. This is the place market, and this is the distance from the market. Now why a farmer will deliberately decrease yield per unit area. That is, a farmer deliberately, model 1 says the intensity of cropping decreases as we move away from the market. For example, if any farmland is located very close to the market, or farmland, the distance of farmland increases away from the market, as the farmland gets located away from the market, we see that the intensity of cropping decreases. Why? See, the locational rent is given by this formula. Now, a farmer will resort to intensive cultivation or extensive. Extensive cultivation means the cultivation where the per unit production of crop is low. Intensive cultivation means where the per unit area the production is more. When the production per unit area is more, it is known as intensive cultivation. When the production per unit area the production is less, it is called extensive cultivation. Now, near the market, every farmer tends to have intensive cultivation. But as the farmland is located away from the market, the intensity of cultivation goes on decreasing. Why? See, near the market, when your farmland is located, when the farmland is located close to the market, in that case, the distance happens to be 0. Assume it's 0. If your farmland is located close to the market, in that case, this distance is 0. So this entire factor will be 0. The locational rent will be determined by only this factor. If your farmland is located close to the market, in that case, the locational rent will be more if this value is more. And this value, suppose you are growing a particular crop, you can take it wheat. You will see, if you are growing wheat close to the market, then you will tend to have more, the intensity of cultivation will be more. Why? Because close to the market, this factor is 0, distance is 0. Yield, if yield is more, then the locational rent will be more, because the cost of production, whether you are growing wheat here or here or here, the cost of producing the wheat will be same. Basically, this will remain constant. The more is the yield, the more will be the locational rent. In case of intensive cultivation, the locational rent will be more, and in case of extensive cultivation, the locational rent will be less. Why? Because of intensive cultivation, the yield is more. If the yield is more, because same crop, wheat, its cost of production is same, whether you cultivate close to the market or away from the market. The cost of production is same, market value is same, whether you are cultivating it close to the market, it will just cultivate close to the market or away from the market. Its market value will be same, market price. If yield is more, then the locational rent will be more. If yield is more, then the locational rent will be more. And yield is more only in case of intensive cultivation. In case of extensive cultivation, the yield is less. If the yield, suppose yield is 100, price and cost of production are constant, and in the case of extensive cultivation, the yield is 10. In that case, basically the profit accruing will be less. If the yield is less, in extensive cultivation, the locational rent will be less. Locational rent will be less in extensive cultivation. In case of intensive cultivation, when the yield is 100, the locational rent will be more. But as the farmland gets located away from the market, in that case, this factor will start increasing. Now, if the farmland is located away from the market, in that case, the distance will start increasing. And if the yield remains high, then this factor will increase rapidly. For example, In case of intensive cultivation, it is profitable near the market, because near the market distance is 0 and in intensive cultivation yield is more. But as you move away from the market, what happens? If you continue your yield to be more 100, distance 1 kilometer, and transport rate, suppose the transport rate is 10, basically it is 10, transport rate is 10 rupees per kilometer per ton. Transport rate, F is transport rate. Transport rate means transport cost per ton per kilometer. Transport cost, suppose it is 100 rupees per ton per kilometer. Now if you continue intensive cultivation away from the market, this factor will increase rapidly. Yield, you continue 100 kg yield, distance 1 kilometer, transport rate is suppose 100 rupees per ton per kilometer. If you are going at a distance of 1 kilometer, the transport rate will be 100 into 1, this is kilometer, distance, this is kilometer, this is yield, and this is cost, transport rate, 100 rupees per ton per kilometer. If you are going at 2 kilometer distance, this factor will be 100 into 2 into 100. This factor is increasing very fast. On the other hand, as you move away from the market and if you resort to decrease your yield, if the yield gets decreased, in that case, in extensive cultivation, suppose the yield is 10. In that case, 10 into 1 into 100. 10 into 2 into 100. In case of low yield, this factor will decrease this factor will increase slowly. As a result, the overall locational rent will decrease slowly. In case of intensive cultivation, the locational rent decreases very fast. Why? Because in case of intensive cultivation, what is happening? This yield is very high. Because of high yield, from 1 kilometer, the transport cost is 10,000. From 2 kilometers, the transport cost is 20,000. So transport cost is increasing very rapidly. When it will increase rapidly, the overall locational rent will decrease very rapidly. Whereas in case of extensive cultivation, where the yield is low, then this factor will increase slowly. When this factor will increase slowly, in that case, basically, when this factor will increase slowly, the overall locational rent will decrease slowly. So what we see, this is the locational rent for intensive cultivation. This is the locational rent for extensive cultivation. Now what we see, before this, if the farmland is located somewhere between this, in this region, then intensive cultivation in this zone, intensive cultivation is profitable. But if the farmland is located beyond this, in that case, in this zone, extensive cultivation is profitable. Why? See, before this, what you see before this, suppose your land area is before this, your land area is somewhere here. In that case, in case of intensive cultivation, the locational rent will be this much, and in case of extensive cultivation, the locational rent will be this much. That is, the locational rent is more in case of intensive cultivation and the locational rent is less in case of extensive cultivation. Whereas beyond this point, extensive cultivation is more suitable. Suppose your farmland is located somewhere here or somewhere here, beyond this. In that case, in case of intensive cultivation, the profit is only this much. But in case of extensive cultivation, the profit, that is locational rent, is more. And beyond this, the intensive cultivation is not at all feasible beyond this point. only extensive cultivation will yield some locational rent. In nutshell, it can be explained that the intensity of cultivation decreases away from the market because of increasing transportation cost. Because if you continue to produce more per unit area, then in that case the cost of transporting, that is transport rate, is transport cost per ton per kilometer. As the distance will increase and if yield continues to be high, then this total is transportation cost. This transportation cost increases very rapidly. When this transportation cost increases very rapidly, the overall value of transport rate, that is overall locational rent, will decrease very rapidly. As a result, basically, since locational rent will decrease very rapidly, it will no more be profitable. Whereas in case of extensive cultivation, since the yield is less, so the transport cost will increase slowly, and when it increases slowly, the overall locational rent will decrease gradually. As a result, after some distance from the market, extensive cultivation has more profit. For example, if your farmland is located here, beyond this point, if your farmland is located here, in that case, in case of intensive cultivation, the location rent is very less. But in case of extensive cultivation, the location rent is more. So this is how he explained why intensive cultivation, basically the intensive cultivation is profitable close to the market and extensive cultivation is profitable away from the market. That farmer will deliberately decrease his yield as he moves away from the market. The second model was crop theory. The second model is crop theory.